Okay, let's see who jumps on. Ooh, I got somebody on. Hello, hello, happy Friday. To whoever you are. Doesn't let me know who you are. Good evening. Hello, hello. Hi, John. How you doing, hun? Hey, everybody. As we're jumping on, good evening. Happy Friday or Fraptious Day. Hope everyone has had a fantastic week so far. For those of you who may be new and don't know me, my name is Nikki. I'm Dan's breaker. I look halfway decent today, so I might, show that it's me. I don't think any of you have really seen my face yet. And this evening, we're going to be opening up a box of 2019 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo. Super Jumbo. So Dan's back there tagging everybody. As soon as we get everyone tagged, we'll go through our list as normal, and then we'll go ahead and get this break started. Hi, Sean. Is your brother in this one too? Hey, Mike. Yes? Okay, cool. Hi, Jim. Jim Rosati. Hello. Hello, hello. And guys, give me a second. Let me grab a bottle of water. Or I'm going to have a frog in my throat this whole break. Oh, I do. Look. I got two on tonight. Got my regular bracelet, and then this was actually handmade for me over in Bicaragua, which is in Eldoret in Kenya. It's like one's the village, one's the city, one's the country type deal. Because my pastor knows a pastor over there, and that's how they make a lot of their money, is by making bracelets. So they made me mine, and that's the Kenyan flag. It's the flag of their village. Did I see April pop on?
I kinda.
Oh, there she is. Hi, Miss April. Yeah, I thought so too. It's gonna be double luck. Luck from here and luck from Kenya. Oh, oops. Did my drink dust get on there? TD, I'll clean. Nice out there, missionaries. Well, our church is like a missions church. So we help people over in Pakistan. We have a pastor over there. We help his village. We just currently got a cow for them. A milking cow, so they can go to their local market and trade for different kinds of food. And then we know Pastor Daniel Marengo. He is the pastor over in Kenya, where I got my bracelet, in the little village in Eldoret. And then we have another one over in India. So yeah, we kind of reach out and, help them with what they need. And in return, they bless us with beautiful stuff, and they make clothes and everything. But anyway, enough rambling. Let me get to my job. Hey guys, hope you're having a great evening. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Nikki. I'm Dan's breaker. This evening we're going to be opening a box of 2019 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo. This is a massive box right here. I'm going to go through our list real quick, and then we'll get started. Whew. All right. Sean Stoneham has Arizona. Patrick Garcia has Atlanta. Oh, cool. Sean also has Baltimore. Elvin has Boston. Matt Ritzman has the White Sox. John DeVoe has the Cubs in Kansas City and probably Houston. Let me look. Yeah, he's got Houston. Okay. Ron Jacobs has Cincinnati. John DeVoe has the Angels, Houston, and Cleveland. Steve Englehart has Colorado. Chris Stoneham has Detroit. Sam Moody has the Dodgers. Glenn Krug has Miami. John DeVoe has Milwaukee. Steve Englehart has Minnesota. Mike Hill has the Yankees. Going Yankees, Mike? You must be desperate for some fire. You abandoned Cleveland. My gosh. All right. April Marie Charlo has the Mets. Sean Stoneham has Oakland. Dan is making lots of noise.
No.
Mike Hill has the Phillies. Jim Rosati has Pittsburgh. James Walker has San Diego. Glenn Krug has San Francisco. Chris Stoneham has Seattle. Steve Englehart has St. Louis. Jonathan Best has Tampa Bay. John DeVoe has Texas. And Jamie Logan has Toronto. All right. Let's do this. Do this, Brutus. Holy for holies. That's a big box. Yep, true that. Where there's Houston, there's Mr. DeVoe. Oh, I remember these. Okay. Can you scooch the... I don't know how we're going to do this here. I'm going to stick these... There we go. Over here so you guys can see. So I didn't want to take them completely off camera. Hold on. Is that it? Show the empty box, dude. There you go.
Yeah.
Yep, I got it. Alright, so... Oh, you can get me in trouble. Making everyone think I'm trying to be shysty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There we go. I'm gonna open them like this. I'm gonna do this side first. Okay, I remember how to do this. I think. There we go. There's paper, right? Paper. There's our chrome. Oh, hold on, I'm dropping stuff now. Clumsy fingers. Right, here's our chrome. We're gonna thumb through our paper. Make sure we don't got nothing in there. No colors. Nope. Okay, there you go, Mr. Dan. For our chrome, scoot that back there. For our chrome, we have Brickhouse, Smith, Lewis, Phillip, Amaya, that's my kitty's name, Williams again, but that one is a refractor, Martinez refractor, McCray refractor, Leonardo Jimenez refractor, Costello refractor, Campbell refractor, Freeman, Steer. For our colored paper, we have a purple Sammy Ciani refractor. It's going to be number 68 out of 250. Pittsburgh. That goes to Jim Rosati. For our auto, we have a purple Blake Walston. It's going to be number 154 out of 250. Is that Arizona?
Mm-hmm.
And that goes to Sean Stoneham. And to finish up that side of the pack, we have Javier, Kirby, Alexander, Cavaco, and Abreu. Alright, so this side is not going to have a colored paper because we had one on the other side. No, we normally only had one on one side. Last time I did this break, unless they changed it. There's our chrome. Here's our paper. If it's got one on this side, I'm going to be shocked. Alright. Here's paper. For our chrome, we have Martinez. Excuse me. McCrae. Jimenez. Lewis. Levine. Song. Langeliers. Beatty. Dillard. Jensen. Franchise futures with Blade and Meisner. Draft progression with Gore, Weathers, and Abrams. Lodolo. Stinson. Jameson. Hall. Valdez. Gomez. Henry. Swaggerty. And Brown. Alright, so this is our second pack of 5. We had 5 total. Let's switch this back a little. Paper. That's our chrome right here. It should be paper as well. I'm gonna sort through. That's your paper. Now for our chrome, we have Espino, Mitchell, Bart, Agnos, Blade, Rivera, Quintana, Groshans, Schultz, Callahan. Franchise futures with Mears and Abrams. Draft progression with Pearson, Groshans, and Manoa. Driscoll, Ornelas, Lewis, Fernandez, Wisniewski, Kawar, Edwards, Ciani, Peridino, and Walston. So both our colored and our auto is going to be on the side. Is this a regular draft or Asia edition?
It's a super jumbo regular Bowman draft.
Okay, it's a regular Bowman draft, super jumbo. Henry. Oh, there those are right there. Okay, so here's our chrome. Let's put that way. Because our colored is in there. I just spotted that one. There's our paper. There shouldn't be anything. Nope. Okay. All right. So we have Gilliam, Murphy, White, Malone, Arias, or Arias. We have a Smith refractor, Lewis refractor, Phillip refractor, Amaya refractor, Hill Jr. refractor, Williamson refractor, Gill refractor, Kessinger refractor, draft pick breakdown with Blade. For our colored paper, we have a Beatty green, number 67 out of 99. Mets, April Marie Charlo. That is yours, my dear. Followed by a Corbin Carroll Sparkle. Is that Sparkle? Is that Arizona?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Arizona. That goes to Sean Stoneham. I like the sparkle. It's nice. Yeah, I know. Followed by a Kiani Cavaco auto. Minnesota. That goes to Steve Engelart. Cavaco auto. Yeah. And to finish this pack off, we have Beer, Packard, Vaughn, Miller, Duxaxis, and Libertor. I can never say his name right. Well, in my head. It always sounds weird in my head. What, beer? You want beer now? Okay. So here's our chrome. Gonna shift through our paper. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Okay. So for our chrome, we have Rutschman, Mangum, Priester, Siegler, Davidson, Garcia. For our paper, we have a blue Will Wilson. That's a sky blue. Number 6 out of 499. Angels. That goes to John DeVoe. Then we have a Groshans refractor, a Schultz refractor, Callahan refractor, Brickhouse refractor, Hicklin, Bishop, McCann, Green, all refractors. Then we have draft pick breakdown with Lodolo, and another Corbin Carroll auto.
No, someone wanted Corbin Carroll.
Where the heck did I see him? Like 6 other times. Was it a color?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm sure I've seen Corbin Carroll like 6 times already. Sorry about that. A Corbin Carroll auto. Class of 2019. 106 out of 250. Arizona, Sean Stoneham. So you have a colored and an auto. Sorry, I saw that and I'm like, holy cow. He's everywhere. Really? Wow. Alright, so to finish this side of the pack off, we have Bomb, Shrunk, Melendez, Fletcher, Cassis, and Slayton. Alright, hold on. My goodness. No, I bet you it was the potatoes.
Yeah.
Those scallop potatoes with the cheese and milk in them got my throat off for me. So I have to keep sipping on my water. Alright, good, good, good. I'm glad then. Yay for you. Yeah, I was gonna try and pick a team, but I didn't think that it would be okay for me to break and pick a team. I didn't want anybody to think, you know, that I was trying to sneak in and get something. I don't know, it didn't seem right breaking and having a team, so I didn't. The teams I was gonna get, John has. Mr. DeVoe. Okay. So for our chrome on this pack, we have Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, Robinson, Wallner, Stowers, Sanchez, Allen, Mercer, Massey. We have franchise futures with Green and Quintana. Draft progression with Peterson, Cortez, and Beatty. Gambrell, Stewart, Hines, India, Strumpf, Gorman, Driscoll, Upside Down, Ornelas, and Death Rage. Okay. Which ones, John? Wasn't I going to get the triple that he got? With the Cleveland, Houston, and the Angels. I was going to grab that one. Because this morning it took a bit before everybody started hitting up on the break. And it was going kind of slow. I'm like, I wonder if I pick some teams if everybody would be like, oh, hey, and start jumping in. But then I thought as a breaker, that wouldn't be the best thing in the world. I didn't want to come off looking shady, so I didn't. Okay, so here's our chrome. It's our paper. But I'm glad I didn't, because it means you got the teams and you get to join us. And I like having you on here. You're one of the nicer people I met on here. And for our chrome, we have Cruz, Garcia, Sanford, Hankins, Wilson, Nunez, Devers, Ornelas, Lee, Kirk, franchise futures with Vaughn and Thompson, draft pick progression with Rogers, Scott, and Blade, Gomez, Henry, Swaggerty, Brown, okay, Wilson, Beard, Zephyrjan, Mesa, Rave, and Stott. I may have to one time, but I just wanted to get everybody's thoughts on it before I did. You know, I didn't want anyone to feel uneasy or uncomfortable or anything like that. You're welcome, John. I mean, I like everybody in the group. Everybody's been really nice. Well, and the regulars. I don't mean to say it like that. How do I put it? My people. I see you guys all the time on here. John, Sean and Chris Stoneham, Steve, Patrick, April. Who else is nice? Darren Smith. Josh Hoshar when he used to jump on. Same with Todd. And who else was it? I'm trying to remember people. But pretty much everybody's been pretty nice. Except for Mike. I don't like Mike. Just kidding, Mike. I can mess with him. He used to be my coworker. And he's a nice guy too. When he wants to be. Okay, so here's all of our paper. Paper. Yep, you, Mike. Yeah, I know. And it's not her fault because she doesn't have any advantage other than being absolutely gorgeous.
Who? You?
April.
Oh.
Okay, so starting off with our chrome, we have Marsh, Newton, Burdick, Yang, Baylor, Weathers, Agnos refractor, Blade refractor, Rivera refractor, Quintana refractor. And then we have an Agnos, a purple Agnos, 129 out of 250. Yep, she's the mini queen. That's the Yankees. That goes to Mike. That is yours, Mike. Continuing our refractors, we have Reyes, Hess, Schmidt, Jones. I don't know who that is. Abrams. I should have known that. A blue Henderson. What is that? 98 out of 150. Orioles. Baltimore. That goes to Sean Stoneham. That is yours, Sean. Right behind it, we have a Tyler Baum auto. Number 366 out of 499. Oakland. Sean Stoneham. I'm going to be saying Stoneham a lot tonight. I can feel it. Because I already have. Finishing off with Lodolo, Stinson, Jameson, Hall, and Valdez. Alright, we got one pack left, y'all. Hoping this is where the fire is at. I'm going to start with this side. Uh-oh. Get back here. Not wanting to come out. Giving me trouble. That's a good sign. Normally the ones that give me trouble are the nice ones. Look at that. How beautiful that just cut for me. I know, right, Sean? You're stealing the show tonight. Tonight is Sean night. Okay, we'll see. Calling it, Jonathan. Last pack, magic. Alright. Get some good juju in here. For our chrome, we have Carroll, Jimenez, Thompson, Aidman, Meisner, Acevedo, Cannon, Jones, Nelson, Gilbert. Franchise futures with Langeliers and Shoemake. Draft progression with Cease, Win, and Jung. It's going to be on the other side. Kawar, Edwards, Ciani, maybe not, Perdino, Walston, yep, Javier, Kirby, Alexander, Cavaco, and Abreu. It's on this side. What we got? What we got? Okay. I think I saw something green in there, maybe. Or maybe I didn't. Huh? It's blue. Alright, going through our paper real fast for you guys. Yeah, I know how you feel. I would feel bad too, but you know, think of it this way. It's got to be somebody's time. John's had good breaks. April, we know. Darren Smith. Who else gets good?
Sean.
Well, I said John.
Sean.
Oh, Sean. This is a good one for you. That's not who I was talking to, though.
Oh. He wants to rush me, I think.
Yeah. All right. So, Shoemake, Rooker. There's the Franco, but not the auto. Fitterer, Abrams, Payante, a blue Stowers, 317 out of 499. Is that Baltimore?
Mm-hmm.
Sean Stoneham. That's funny. We have an Arias refractor. Espino refractor, Mitchell, Bart, oh, it's a sparkle, I think, Rodriguez, McConnell, Kalenic, these are all refractors, Bush, oh no, that just made it look like it, draft pick breakdown with Rutschman, and our auto is Logan Wyatt, San Francisco. Glenn Krug. Finishing off with Libertor, Driscoll, Ornelas, Lewis, Fernandez, and Wisniewski. Dang. I was hoping to pick a Rutschman or a Franco. That would have been nice.
There's some big name players.
Huh?
Big name players.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, I know. Alright, so starting off with our base, we had a Rutschman, Chrome Abrams, and then a Bishop refractor, a green refractor, and a Blade refractor. You're welcome, John. Have a good evening as well. Dan's over there making noise. He's noisy, noise. And he's very, very irritated with me. Alright, our blue Stowers, 317 out of 499. Sky blue Wilson, 6 out of 499. Purple Agnos, 129 out of 250. And a green Beatty, 67 out of 99. You're welcome, Patrick and April. Thank you guys so much for joining us. You're amazing. We had a Corbin Carroll Sparkle. Oh my gosh, that was blurry. A purple Ciani, 68 out of 250. And a blue Henderson, 98 out of 150. Wyatt Auto. And a Bomb Auto, 386 out of 499. We had our Cavaco Auto. Our purple Blake Walston, 154 out of 250. And our Corbin Carroll, 106 out of 250. That's an auto. Class of 2019. Huh?
At 9 p.m. Eastern, I'll be having a 2018 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo box. Pick your team at 9 p.m.
So everybody make sure to jump on and pick your team at 9. Gonna say hi. So I don't see you guys very often. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon.